Hello guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can create an auto-blogging website. And what I do mean by an auto-blogging website, guys, is that all of these blog posts that you see here on this website are just automatically generated. And no, this is not like AI. We're gonna be pulling these articles from RSS feeds, then we can spin them and rewrite these articles. And definitely we're going to be splitting this video into two parts. The first video, we're going to be showing you how to set this website up for auto posting. The next video of this gets enough views, we're going to be dropping the second part about how you can spend this article. And definitely you can actually also monetize these type of websites with affiliate marketing, or you can go for ads networks such as MoneyTag or any other network that pays you via RPM or CPC clicks. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing today. Before we jump into this video, definitely consider dropping a like, comment down below if you have any question. Also feel free to drop it in the comments or reach out to me via my social media. I will be happy to actually chop it up with you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this video. So the first thing that you need is a business name or domain name, and this actually is up to you and whatever interest that you have. So for this example, or for the website that I created, it was a gaming website or a gaming news website. So if you have an interest in, for example, I don't know, recipes, cooking, stuff like that, go with that. Okay, so go back to Namelinks. I'm gonna leave all the links that you need in the description down below, so definitely check them out. Go to Namelinks and just drop some keywords regarding your niche or the website that you are trying to create. So again, I'm trying to replicate this website, so I'm gonna target some gaming keywords stuff. Okay, so we're gonna be type in, so like I said, just write some keywords regarding the website that you trying to create. So I just wrote games, gaming news, stuff like that, and hit generate, and just wait for Namelinks to generate these domain names. But before that, just select the name style. I'm gonna just leave it at auto, click next, and for the generation randomness, I'm gonna leave it at medium as well. You can select high and that will give you much different results. I'm just stick to medium, and yeah, you can add a description as well. I'm gonna leave it empty, click generate, and yeah, let Namelinks generate our domain name. So as you can see, Namelinks did generate some good names for us. As you can see, we have review and replay. This one is available at the .com extension. When you have the green check mark, that means that you have the .com extension available. You can copy it, and there's a bunch of good names here. You have game trends here, which the one that I did actually buy in my previous website, and there is a lot more that you can actually choose from. So this will actually give you a lot of variety on how you can approach this and create your website essentially. So yeah, definitely check Namelinks out. Moving on to the hosting, and definitely you need a hosting to actually create a website. There is nothing actually better than Hostinger. Hostinger is just one of the few, if not the best hosting service out there. For the money that you are spending, you get quality service. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. It's an affiliate link if you want to support the channel. That will help us immensely as well. So go ahead and just click start now to actually start and get your hosting plan. For this one, you don't need to actually go with a business website. The premium is enough, so click choose plan, and yeah, let's just wait for a bit and just select the 12 months or whatever you feel comfortable with, and yeah, continue with the purchase. Once you finish buying your hosting plan, go ahead to domains and click on get a new domain, and here you can actually copy your free domain. Once you buy a hosting plan with Hostinger, they give you a free domain. So here you can copy the free domain that you entered in the purchase page. Once you do that, just head back to websites, okay, then click on websites list, and in here click on add a website and click on add a WordPress website, and essentially that will give you the prompt to create a new WordPress website using your domain that you just got. So click on next, and in here it will just tell you to select any theme. In our case, we do have a theme that I will just recommend to you guys. If you like it, you can purchase that theme, but it's definitely better than the themes that HadiTech-eng offer. So we'll just click choose a theme instead, just like that, and just leave it at default like this. Click next, and for the plugins you can remove the all-in-one SEO. I don't like this SEO plugin at all. Leave WP forms. You can leave Omniscient as well. Google Sites is also a good thing to have, and just like that, click install WordPress. And the last step, it will just tell you to actually select your domain. In our case, like I said, we do have a fully functional gaming website, so I'll just be using a temporary extension or a domain in order to represent what we'll be doing in the next steps. So while WordPress is installing, I'm gonna just tell you about the theme that we'll be using today. The theme is called Jannah, okay, and it has some pre-built and demos for every type of website that you want to create. So if you want to use this theme, feel free to do so. Go ahead and buy it from CodeCanyon, download the theme and just follow along, or you can just Google some free themes for whatever niche that you pick. Like I said, for cooking or whatever the case might be, just Google any theme that you feel like using and just follow along with the steps ahead. So as you can see, guys, we have finished setting up our WordPress website, and the first thing that we need to do is install the theme. Like I said, go ahead to appearance, click on that, okay, then in here click add new theme, and just so I can make this whole process easier, that's why I'm using Jannah. Click on upload theme and upload your theme if you have a theme. If not, just select one of the themes right here. There's plenty of themes that you can browse and choose from, okay, and yeah, just follow along with the next step as well. In our case, I'm gonna just upload our theme, click install now, and wait for the website to be installed. And as you can see, it's just finished installing. You just click activate, and just like that, we have activated our theme. As you can see, we have nothing on the website yet, and we don't want to use this theme as well. So let's just go back and go to Jannah, okay, and just go to install demos. That's why I said it's just best suited to use this particular theme. If not, you can choose any other theme. And for the demos, you can see there's like plenty of demos. There's like a tech website just ready made for you. You can just import this theme. You have one for sports, creatives, recipes, like I said, auto if you are like in the auto niche, photography, hotels, etc. So we'll just scroll all the way down for the gaming one or the games one and just hit import. And as you can see, it says that's it, all done. Now we have our website. Let me just refresh the website, and as you can see, this is our website. It has some navigation bar already made for us. We need to actually tweak it. We have some gaming background in the background. We have some really good gaming website just ready to be tweaked and just altered. But yeah, the first thing that we need to do is just remove all of these posts, because they are just some random posts and they are presumably outdated. So let's just go back to our WordPress website and just go to posts, and in this section just select all the posts from here and go to bulk action, click move to trash and click apply. Then do this step basically for all the posts. Click move to trash, apply again, and one last time. Let's just do that. And as you can see, now we have just removed all the posts from our website. Let me just refresh the website again, and as you can see, we don't have any posts yet on the website. The next thing that we need to do is just customize the website and just remove all of these in the navigation bar. So let's just click customize. So let me just go to menus, and in the first menu I'm gonna just start removing everything in here. Let me just click on the category, remove, and essentially repeat the same thing over again and again. As you can see, we have removed all the unnecessary things in the navigation bar, and I'm gonna just tweak the other two. We have created some categories just for demonstration purposes. So what I'm gonna be just covering on this website, some Xbox news, let's say for example some PlayStation news as well, and I'm gonna add a Nintendo in there too. So I'm gonna just rename the travel into PlayStation and games into Nintendo. Again, this could vary depending on the niche that you chose, what you want to put on your website, so yeah, feel free to tweak that to your liking. Now we have the whole category set up. Now we can start just start putting posts in our blog right here. In order to do that, guys, you need to actually buy this WordPress plugin. It's called WordPress Automatic Plugin AI Content Generator, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. You can check it out for yourselves. There is like 4,000 saves right here. There's like 9K comments on how well and good this plugin is, and yeah, you need to actually buy it for yourselves. And once you do that, head back to your WordPress website, scroll all the way down to plugins, click on it, and in here just click on add new plugin, and from here click on upload plugin and upload the plugin that you just downloaded from CodeCanyon. Click on choose file, and just like that click on install now, and then click on activate plugin, and voila, just like that you have your auto blogging post plugin ready to go. Click on it. It should be saying automatic on the left sidebar right here, and click on add a new campaign. And in here we're gonna be adding a new campaign for each category in here that we have. So for the first campaign we're gonna be typing Xbox. So this is our first campaign. In here we have the update frequency, and in a sense this tells the bot or the plugin to actually scrape the website or the RSS feed for new posts each 60 minutes. You can adjust that to your liking as well. I usually actually do like 300, around like 300, and each 300 minutes a new post will be added to our website. And we have down here the campaign type. We have the AI articles. We're going to be talking about that in a different video if you want us actually to talk about it. If not, we'll just leave it as is. But for this particular video, we're going to be scraping, like I said, these articles from the feeds. So click on feeds, right? And in here we're gonna need to put some RSS feed link. And how we can do that is just go ahead and go back to your Bing or Google browser and just type in whatever niche that you in and followed by RSS feed. So for example, we just created an Xbox campaign. I'm gonna just type in Xbox RSS feed, and just like that there's like plenty of options. Click on the first link, and this is actually the hub of RSS feeds. If you need any RSS feed, just go to FeedSpot, and yeah, you can choose or get any RSS feed from here. So we're going to be using the first one. It's called Xbox Wire RSS feed, and this is the link that we need to use. So I'm gonna click the link and open this link up in a new page. Click copy, go back to the campaign that we created, just paste the link again, scroll all the way down. Okay, do not tinker with any of these options unless you know what you are doing. If not, just leave it as is and just move on. In here, and the template, you can add and customize the templates. You have these parameters in here. So essentially, let me break it down to you. There will be an ad at the top, then you have the content, then you will have another ad, then you have the source link at the end of the article. If you need to actually customize it, you have these tags, and each tag represents something. So that's how you can customize the template or the layout of your article. Okay, so like I said, do not tinker with anything unless you know what to do. So scroll all the way down, okay, and in here you have the categories list. So select the category that you wish to post in. Like I said, we're gonna be posting in Xbox, so just like that, select Xbox, and yeah, go all the way up and click on publish. Once you do that, click on run campaign once, and as you can see, now we have a new article that is posted in our website just like that. And it is actually posted in what? In the Xbox section, or the Xbox category, I should say. So let's just do another one for PlayStation. So let's just go back to automatic or the plugin and click on add new campaign. Let's just do PlayStation, short for PS, just like that. Again, select feeds, and let's just do 300 minutes. Yeah, let's just leave it around like 290, just like that. And from the feeds, you can add actually multiple feeds. It's just not one. I just copied one link for demonstration purposes. You can add multiple ones, guys. For example, you can add this one, this one, this one, this one, and it will just scrape these articles from different sources. So again, I'm gonna just look for PlayStation feeds, and just like that, click on the first thing that says the top 25 RSS feed, and let's just, for example, go with this one. Let's just go with the second one. Okay, open the link again, hit copy, go back to your campaign on your WordPress website, paste it, and you just scroll all the way down. Again, like I said, you can switch the layout, you can switch the template of the article, and yeah, let's just scroll all the way down, select PlayStation once again, and click on publish, just like that, and click run campaign to add new posts. And yeah, let's just open the article again, and as you can see, it's just posted a new article in the PlayStation category. And just like that, you can do that for the rest of your categories in the website. Again, I will not be talking on how you can customize the website. It's just, very simple, very easy. There's multiple tutorials on YouTube on how to do that, so it's definitely up to you. If you're actually trying to tweak the front page, all you need to do is just go ahead to add a page, and it's actually just a drag and drop builder tool. You just need to customize it to your liking. You just scroll all the way down till you see Tile Labs builder, and in here you can, like I said, add, remove blocks, do whatever you wish. Again, there's multiple tutorials on the web explaining how you can customize your WordPress website. So I'm gonna just remove these. For example, just click save, and yeah, let's just go back to our website, refresh the website again, and as you can see, we just have deleted some sections in here. And to actually customize the theme again, just head back to Jenna or the theme that you have chosen, and in here there's like the general section, which entails the general information about your website. You have the layout of your website, you have the header, you have the logo, you have the menus and stuff. So the footer, like I said, this is actually up to you guys. So I'm not really trying to get into how to customize a WordPress website, because there's plenty of videos out there. If you need a dedicated video on how to customize that, definitely let me know. So the last thing that you need to do is just very essential as well, which is the SEO side of things on your website, and it truly needs to be done in order to have the exposure on Google Search Console and on other webmasters tools. So go ahead and click on plugins, okay, and click on add new plugin, and from here look for Yoast. It's just like that, and look for Yoast SEO, click on install now. Once you click on install now, click activate, and from here just click on start your first time configuration, and just follow in with the steps given to you. Click on start SEO data optimization, click continue. You have to actually finish up the site representation, okay? You need to actually upload the logo, so let me just upload a random logo. Just like that, click save and continue. Then you have the social profiles, add your social profiles. I'm gonna just skip or skim through all of these options and click on go to your SEO dashboards, and from here just go ahead and click on settings, and from the settings scroll all the way down until you see XML sitemaps, and this essentially is the sitemap for your website, and you need to actually submit this into Google Search Console. And this is a dynamic sitemap, which means every new post that you add will be added automatically to your sitemap, and then updated and pinged by Google Search Consoles as well. And the last step to actually add your website to Google Search Console, you just go and click on Google Search Console, or look up Google Search Console, click on add property and add your domain. For this one, we'll just add the temporary domain that we just created. Click on continue, and they will give you multiple options to verify ownership of that website. You can just download the HTML file and upload it in your root directory. You have the HTML tag to add it in the header of your website, which is the easiest one to do. So click copy, go back to your website, okay, and just click on appearance, and from appearance click on theme file editor, okay, and click on I understand. And from that, what you need to do is just look for the header.php. We have the header.php in here, and yeah, just in the head code, just copy that code that was given to you by Google Search Console and just click on save, okay, or update file, excuse me. Once you do that, head back to Google Search Console and click verify, and just like that you just verify the ownership of your website. Click on go to property, and from property go back to sitemaps in here, and in here just submit your sitemaps. Like I said, go back to XML sitemaps from Yoast SEO, okay, and just copy the extension or the URL of the sitemap and click on submit. You need to actually do that twice in order to register sometimes, so let's just do that second time. And as you can see, it's just successfully submitted. And yeah, now you have a fully submitted website into Google Search Console. Soon enough you will be receiving visits to your website organically as well. So we'll just stop here for part 1, guys. If there is anything that you want to ask, drop it in the comment below, or just you have the social media links and you can reach out to me, and I will definitely be glad to help you. Like I said, this is fully automated. Just follow along and just do the steps. If you need part 2 about how to spin this article and how to customize the website fully, just also let me know. Okay, this was Hadi from HadiTech, and see you guys in the next one.